Every bite of instant noodles feels like a pleasure unlike anything else. Whether you add extra toppings or not, they're still beautiful just the way they are. In fact, on a neighboring continent, the government there was once accused of pampering prison inmates too much just because they were feeding them instant noodles. Yeah, simply because they're that good. But we're also constantly told that they can be dangerous. So what would actually happen if we ate nothing but instant noodles every single day? Okay, first of all, we'd probably be happy because our stomachs are full, our taste buds are satisfied, and our wallets are happy too. But to find out what happens in the days that follow, we can look at the story of this journalist who actually experimented with eating instant noodles continuously for an entire week. On the first day, everything felt completely fine. She could go out and work like usual. But the next morning, her body started feeling a little weak, and all she wanted to do was go back to sleep. By the third day, she felt even more sluggish, and her mouth tasted salty. By the fourth day, seeing instant noodles wasn't exciting anymore. In fact, they started to disgust her. She felt constantly thirsty and had completely lost her appetite. And according to her, it felt like being someone who had just recovered from an illness. And all these changes in her body became even worse on the fifth day. And it wasn't just physical. Her emotions were affected too. She became much more easily irritated. Now imagine what would happen if you kept doing this for a month. Whatever the outcome, I think we all know one thing. Don't try this. Instant noodles do make you feel full because they're high in calories. But that's pretty much where it ends. Unfortunately, they're low in other important nutrients. And that's not all. The high amounts of salt, MSG, and saturated fat in instant noodles can make this go up, that go up, and this go up too. And the number on the scale can go up as well. Okay, but then what about the opposite? Would it be healthy if, for example, we ate only one type of vegetable every single day? Turns out eating only one type of food can be just as bad. Whether it's nothing but instant noodles, nothing but one type of vegetable, sweet drink every single day, or even $400 million burger, the point is that we need to meet our nutritional needs. And the key is balance. Think of it like a soccer team. It would be pretty ridiculous if all 11 players were strikers. So now we know what can happen when we keep eating instant noodles over and over again. That's why, according to this Harvard researcher, eating them just twice a month is enough. You can also add vegetables and other side dishes to make the meal much more nutritionally complete. So don't worry. The conclusion of this video isn't that we all need to immediately throw away every pack of instant noodles we have at home. And as always, thank you.